You can revive videos that are doing poorly. Look at this video here. 126,000 views 8 months ago. Was it always getting 126,000 views? No. Was it on track to? No. But I made one change that completely altered the course of the amount of views it would get. And you can do the same. If your videos are doing really bad or they're dead, it's not over for them. You can change it. Especially if the videos are somewhat decent, the main thing is you want to get people to click on them. So people aren't clicking on your videos. The good thing with YouTube is you can always change that. If a video flops once, it's not over forever. You can go back and change it. What you want to do is you can actually change the thumbnails if the CTRs are performing bad. When you change the CTRs, YouTube will actually re-put that out there to a new audience again to test it. So if you look at this video here, so this is with 126k views now. When I initially uploaded it, it was getting views. However, at the very start, in this first 1 day period, it was actually flopping hard. Constantly, right? You can't see it now because I made so many changes when it first started, but it did get 8,000 views, and then it got 6,000 views the second day. Then it went up to 10,000 views, 13,000 views on the third and fourth day, which is different. Usually, it's not going to keep increasing like that. It falls off. But I kept making changes again and again and again, and this ended up getting the 126k that it has now. Now, I'll show you what I actually did with this one. So let me open it up here. Really quickly, the video. Look at how many thumbnail changes I made. 6 thumbnail changes. So I first had this one, right? It's why I did Uthman bin the Quran. Then I changed it to this one. This is the thumbnail. Then I changed it to this, right? So 3 different ones. Then I changed it to, so everyone, just the books by itself. Then I changed it to this. I thought that would perform well. Then I changed it to this. Then it still wasn't good enough. The final one I changed to was this, which is what was the best performing one and has picked up the most amount of views. Now, I had even more thumbnails. I think I had over 10 thumbnails on this one. These are just the ones I uploaded onto YouTube. A lot of them I just scrapped and I didn't think were good enough in Photoshop. So I had 6 thumbnail changes and we now have 126,000 views. I'm not alone. Mr. Beast does the same thing. Look at how many thumbnail changes he has. This is for one of his videos 1 year ago. He is constantly changing them. He's still changing them, and he does this for all of his videos. He does this, then this, then this. Minimal differences that you might not be able to make, spot the difference on. Change the color of the shirt, change the color of the smile, change, whether there's a building in the background or not. Then he'll change it to this. Look, a race car, changes to before and after, change to that, change to that. He changes on so many different things. Now, obviously, you're not the next Mr. Beast. You don't have to change every single thing 100 times, but you're probably just uploading one video, it's doing bad, and then it flops and you give up. Okay, don't give up. If you need help getting 1,000 subscribers, I have my school program. I can help you get videos like this. We can get you to 1,000 subscribers. I can hold your hand there, link in the description. Now, with this one, I did the same thing. I'm no Mr. Beast, but I know my CTR is doing bad and I don't want it to flop. I want it to keep growing and growing and growing and growing. So I'm going to continuously change the thumbnails. Even now, if I have old videos that are doing bad, I'm going to go back and change the thumbnails because I want to get results like this. So what should you be doing? Go back. We also have A/B testing of the thumbnails, which is what you can do now. You go into details for your video, you load it up, and you go A/B testing. So you can do multiple thumbnails at once, 2 or even 3. Make them very different kinds of thumbnails. Don't do one slight change like the Mr. Beast one. If you're A/B testing, do completely different thumbnail styles. Kind of like how I have this, and oops, and then I have this. Because that way you can really get a picture of which one is outperforming. If it's something minimal, you're not going to be able to tell the difference. You can A/B test it. YouTube will tell you which one's better. If it does bad still, then over time, make another thumbnail. Change it. Go to your old videos. Even if it's 6 months ago, you can revive old and dead videos. This is what you need to be doing for your channel. This is what you're not doing right now. And that's what's going to help grow your channel, revive your channel, and get your channel back into healthy shape. Okay? Thank you so much.